And I'm the product marketing manager for our ecosystem. So to start things off, I want to ask you first a question. How many of you have probably gone out camping for maybe 2 to 3 days, or maybe gone to a marathon and suddenly your battery dies? I'm sure that gives you a pretty bad mood. But what I want to tell you more about is that our battery life for our Watch Ultra 2 is really amazing. It's 800 mAh. So that's actually 35% better than our version 1 of our Watch Ultra. So really, our Watch Ultra 2 is the kind of watch that can keep up with any kind of activity that you want to. Also, in terms of our performance, for the first time, Samsung has actually paired our watches with a Snapdragon Wear Elite. So what does this mean? This means that our watch is able to power any kind of activity that you want to do. So, be it your GPS, it will become more reliable. So, for example, you're probably out trekking or out there running in a remote area, your GPS will work very much perfectly. Another thing that our chipset is able to do is really give you that smooth transitions and give you that instant feel of your applications moving from one to another. Also, what our Watch Ultra is able to do is, in terms of our display, it's the best in the world. It's 5,000 nits. So that's really the brightest that you'll ever get in a watch. So that means that wherever you are, be it out in intense sunlight or maybe you're probably walking in a shaded area, you'll be able to see the display of your watches perfectly. Another thing that we have is also the form factor of our Watch Ultra 2. It's built with a titanium shock-resistant body, but not only that, it's much thinner by 12% versus our first version. And it's not just the body that we've improved, it's also our straps. So later on, as you probably go towards the whole room, I want you guys to really check out our Watch Ultra 2. And you'll be seeing that our straps are much thinner, much lighter, and really when you wear them, you'll be able to see that it's very much comfortable and stable. Also, I want to give you that feeling that in terms of design, the computational design that Samsung has been working on, it really comes from data. So, as you all know, we have hundreds, if not thousands of users of our watches. And it really combines all the data from our consumers on what they want. That's why Samsung is really building our watches towards that stability, comfort, and giving you the best performance a watch can ever have. So, enough of that hardware features, I want to talk about what our watches can do and what it has in store for you. So one of the really exciting features that we have is Trail Run. So what our Trail Run feature can do is one, accurately get your GPS. So be it where you're going to or where you want to go back, you'll be able to track it perfectly. Also, our Trail Run feature isn't something basic. It's really built for athletes, professionals. So in terms of timing progress, you'll be able to have that. In terms of elevation, you'll be able to track that. Because really, the main intention of why we have these features is for, of course, our users not to get injured. And another world's first that we have is a hydration guidance. What does this mean? So before with our Samsung Health app, we usually just have this function where you put in how much water you want to drink. But this takes it a step higher. Also because Samsung is able to pair your sweat loss together with your weight and really accurately guide you and how you should be hydrated throughout your whole activity. So another feature I want to share to you, so I've talked a lot about our outdoor feature. I want to dive deeper in terms of our diving. So really, our watches aren't just made for outdoors, it's also made for the water. And with our watches, it is seamlessly integrated. So what does that mean? So for example, you're out in the ocean and you want to access this application, you don't need to go switching apps. You just simply need to go to the water, it will instantly do it for you. Also, we have a partnership with Maris. So I guess you guys all know that Maris is our #1 diving equipment brand. So really to build on the credibility, we have an exclusive app with Maris. So our Watch Ultra 2 really acts as a diving computer. sensor. So it's able to really get in your ascent rate, it will be able to check your safety stops. So really, you don't need another watch to get into that professional tracking when you do all these extreme sports. But before all that, I also want to give you an idea that not everyone is built for the extreme. Sometimes, or a lot of us, just want to build our daily health or wellness in a day-to-day basis. So with that, I want to quickly introduce to you our watch night through this video.
John? Hey, what's with all this energy?
Well, it's thanks to this Galaxy Watch 9.
So, as I was saying, I am really excited to introduce to you the Galaxy Watch 9. So really, our Galaxy Watch 9 is the perfect health companion for everyone. So no matter what kind of age you are or watch era you are, our Galaxy Watch 9 really is the perfect health companion for anyone. So I want to start things off in terms of our form factor. So as you can see, the Watch 9 actually inherits the look of our watch age, just also because it got really good reviews. But more than that, we were able to elevate our straps. So also our straps, as you can see, so I'm wearing one right now, and they're really much lighter. And if you see here in our room, our straps actually have a concave right in the middle. And what that really does is it makes our watches much lighter by 25%. So really, it's perfect for full day wear. So even if you're wearing it when you sleep, it's definitely very comfortable. Also, in terms of our hardware, it's much better versus our watch age. So in terms of our battery life, it's 20% much better. In terms of what's inside, it's also backed up by your Qualcomm Wear Elite. So it's also a Snapdragon chipset to really give you that seamless feel with no matter feature you want to access with your Watch 9. Also in terms of our display, it's 3000 nits. It really gives you that vibrant and sharp display no matter where you are. And this is really on par also with the smartphones that we have in this room. Also, I want to dive deeper on our health features because also as what Matt was sharing a while ago, sometimes we only are reactive towards our health. Like we only go to the doctor when we're already feeling something bad. But with Samsung, the reason why we really developed our Samsung Health app is really to give you that preventive care. Preventive care so that you'll be able to know before anything happens to you. And that's why I'm very excited to show you one of our newest features, which is our Vitals. So our Vitals is your proactive health monitoring system. It really tracks these 5 key measurements. So it has your blood oxygen, your HRV, heart rate, skin temp, and even your respiratory rate. So really, what this gives you is a snapshot of how your body is. And you basically just have to wear your watch for 4 consecutive days, and it will be able to tell you a baseline of where you are towards your health. So just like a slight deviation from it, your watch is able to tell you what you should be doing or not doing. Another thing that we have is our heart health score. So we have so much features into our watches, but sometimes we don't know what it really means. So this heart health score gives you a sneak peek on what you should be doing or not doing. So basically what you're able to track here also is the whole aspect of your sleep, your BMI, how your whole cardiovascular health is doing. And for example, you're seeing that your sleep quality is getting poorer. This application will be able to tell you on what good habits you should be building to, of course, get more fit towards your everyday life. So another thing that we have is our daily cardio load. So I talked a lot about your sleep, about your health, but I'm sure a lot of us are getting into fitness, right? So with your daily cardio load, this helps you towards your training journey. Sometimes when we train, we go too hard and we don't know when we want to recover. But fear not, we have a feature that helps you with that. So whether or not you're going too intensely, your watch will be able to tell you that, it's time for you to rest. So it really gives you the personalized fitness journey that everyone should be having. Another feature that we have is Fitness Index. So Fitness Index is also a new feature which we have because of course, the baseline or the database of your Samsung users is big. So what it basically does is it also measures your heart rate and VO2 max and puts it on par or similarly aged watch users so that you know your strengths and weaknesses so that you know how to get to whatever fitness goal you have. forget also our AI features, right? So we've been harping a lot on what Galaxy AI can do. And really, it's much more easier with your Galaxy Watch or Watch Ultra 2. So, with our smartphones, we always have to say, hey Bixby, hey Gemini. But with our Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2, you simply have to raise the talk. And you'll be able to access these AI agents, Bixby, Gemini, whatever you want. You just simply have to do the gesture of raise the talk, and you'll be able to access whatever AI agent you want. And another thing that we've been always harping on is Galaxy ecosystem. Because of course, it's that seamless connectivity between devices which we want. And this integration really helps us keep up with our very busy schedules. So be it your connection with your smartphone, your tablet, your buds, you'll be able to access it with your watch. So I guess in terms of encompassing everything, I've mentioned a lot of features, your heart rate, your health score, and even these new features. But the specs, the numbers that we see, don't give justice to the experience that our Galaxy Watch Ultra devices can give. So really, no matter which era you are, there is really a perfect Samsung Galaxy Watch for everyone. So with that, I want to present to you our watch lineup. So our Watch Ultra 2 and our Watch 9 have two colors each, as you can see. So our Watch Ultra 2 starts at 44,990 and it comes in two colors. So that's your gray and your silver. Your Watch 9 comes in two sizes. So we have your large and your small. So of course, your small is usually for your women. And in terms of price, the 40mm starts at 22,990 and the 44 at 24,990. And another thing that I want to share, which I'm sure you'll be seeing also across the room, is our accessories. So we have a wide range of accessories. It's also because sometimes we really want to customize our devices. So we have our marine bands and sports bands for really your all-rounder and your everyday wear bands. But sometimes you want to elevate our look. So we have your peak form bands and your misty band, which I'm actually wearing today. And of course, if you simply want comfort, we also have your fabric bands for both your Ultra 2 and your Watch 9. So thank you so much for listening to me today. I'm very excited for everyone to experience our new foldable devices and watches with